Good day, children. Welcome to Auntie Rose reading and spelling section. Today we are going through our phonics sounds or letters. The phonics sounds help us to pronounce words and spell them with ease. Come with me, let's go through them. The F sounds as in fish, fish. The F sound as in fish, fish. The G sounds g, g, as in girl, girl. The G sounds g. The H sounds h, h, as in hat, hat, h, h, hat, hat. The I sounds e, e, as in ink, ink, e, e. The J sounds j, j, as in jug, jug, j, j, jug, jug, j. This brings us to the end of today's lesson. Until we meet again, it's bye-bye.